It's like Love Island.
It's like Love Island. I'm not even here, you guys.
Like, what would I do if I was on Love Island? And
You'd kiss.
I would do exactly this. I would sit here and like awkwardly giggle. Yeah.
I'll do the opposite.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Basically, I am going on a blind date today. Tara called me yesterday and she was like, are you busy tomorrow? I want to film a video with you and I'm taking you on a blind date. And I was like, whoa, okay, yes. Here's the thing though, is I'm kind of talking to somebody. Does that make me a girlfriend? No. So I can do this. And who knows, what if the person she sets me up with like steals my heart away? Like, this is my soulmate, you know?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
I'm probably gonna straighten my hair off camera because this literally takes 3 hours. I'm gonna go start. Bye guys. I just finished my hair and honestly I don't like it, but that's because my hair dye is up and it's like spots, like circles of the straight hair just really emphasizes how badly I up dyeing my hair. So I think it'll be better with makeup and like an outfit on. So I'm not gonna hate. I'm not gonna be a hater. That was kind of a lot. Okay, so I lost my tripod, so I'm currently using a stack of moisturizers. Okay, I'll just be here. I don't really know what vibe I want to go for. I am literally out of this concealer. I am literally scraping and nothing is coming out. I need to get a new one. But so I currently don't have my car right now. It's at the shop. Something is getting done to it and I can't tell you what because it's a surprise. I forgot what life was like without my car. Like, I miss her so much. I also do miss like the thrill of like Uber rides though, because let me tell you, every single Uber ride I get into, I am a new person. Like, literally. Verena? No, that's Eliana. Eliana? No, that's Veronica. Jennifer? I thought your name was Amy. Sometimes I'm a UCLA student, sometimes I'm a volunteer, sometimes I'm a Grammy Award winner.
Do you have a history of mental illness? Yes.
Like, it's just so much fun. You're never gonna see them again. But then also sometimes they do just have like really genuine nice conversations with Uber drivers and they're also wholesome, and when I don't lie about my life, you know. I don't even know where we're going. Oh, that would probably help a lot. Where are we going? The way I have chocolate on my lips and nobody told me, you guys are so fake.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
What's up?
Where are we going? Like, what's the vibe? How do I dress?
I would say it's like it's gonna be like at the park.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Tell me what you're wearing.
Okay, I'll send you a picture. Options.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I haven't touched foundation in like I think 2 years. I love a full face of different shades of concealer. It just does it for me every time. Guys, I'm kind of nervous. This is my first blind date ever. Like, what if I don't find him attractive? Actually, that's not my biggest problem. I've dated ugly men. My type is actually like medium attractive, medium ugly with like a really good sense of humor. No, but anyways, I'm actually pretty nervous because like, what if we just don't vibe? What if I just don't like him at all? What if his energy is actually really horrid? Actually, no, I trust Tara. Like, she wouldn't do me like that. Like, she would not, right? Unless this is a setup. Tara, a lot of you guys might not know this, but actually I think it's pretty fucking obvious. I'm really awkward. Like, I kind of just play it off as like satire. No babe, I'm just awkward. But like, that's my funny, you know? I don't think I'm like joke funny, like intentional funny. I don't think I can like crack a joke and everyone can laugh, you know? I think I have to just like, in a way, like my existence, like the shit I do and say on accident, like that I don't mean to be funny, is funny. Like, I'm just awkward. Ugh, I wish I was like intentional funny though. Like, I wish I could say something and be confident, like, yeah, that was like, yeah. My bed is so messy. That's like actually embarrassing. Sorry. Well, it's not messy, it's just unmade. I promise I've been making my bed. I just got lazy this morning. So I recently got a TV in my room. I mounted a TV on my wall and I kind of think that was a bad idea because, hear me out. I used to be a TV in my room girly in high school and it would make me stay up so late. I did not have a good sleeping schedule because I had a TV in my room. So then I moved out of my mom's house and I decided, you know what? I am not putting a TV in my room, and I just have not had a TV in my room for like 2 years. Alex convinced me to put a TV in my room, and why have I watched all 3 seasons of Love is Blind before bed this week? Like, and I think I kind of regret being a TV in my room girly now. I'm still getting good sleep and I'm still waking up early, so I think that's all that really matters. I have a feeling of who she's gonna set me up with, and let me tell you why. The last time we hung out, she was telling me about her friend, and she was like, oh my gosh, he thinks you're so cute, blah blah blah. And I was like, wait, he's kind of cute. And you know what I'm just realizing? The bottle of Valentina on my nightstand. Hot girl nightstand, literally. I used to hate contouring until I started using Contour 6, and it makes my life so easy. Do you guys miss my makeup videos? Like, be so honest. I know I ask this like once every 6 months, but I'm actually curious. Do you prefer my vlogs or like sit down makeup videos? I just got sent liquid blush and PR, and I tried it for the first time. And it's actually so good. You honestly don't need much at all. Like, a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so that was like a purple, and I heard that purple looks best on Middle Eastern skin, so I've been using purple blush recently. Now that all the cream products are on, I'm gonna go ahead and powder. Sorry, this is literally the worst angle ever. The way I have to literally like slouch into the chair is crazy. I'm gonna buy a new tripod, guys, don't worry. Do you guys want to know a dirty secret confession that I am very ashamed of? So I'm gonna it was a lot better in my head, but now I'm embarrassed. I have not washed my makeup brushes for like 2 years. So I'm gonna make a video washing them for the first time and seeing what happens, like what comes out of it. And that just reminded me, because I was powdering my upper lip and I was like, wow, this brush stank.
Ew, damn bitch, you live like this?
That's so gross. I'm sorry guys, but this is my truth. Like, I just have never cared to wash my makeup brushes. Like, they get the job done, whatever. That's so bad. You should definitely wash your makeup brushes. I completely forgot I was vlogging. I'm sorry. I suck at this. Wow. Anyways, so I'm done with my makeup. Here, let me sit in the light so you can see. I went for like a natural soft glam type beat. I like it a lot. I think it's doing me real good actually. Let me show you the fit. Okay, here's the full fit. Can you see the shoes? Yeah, cute, huh? Yeah. The damn fire alarm. Oh my god, shut the fuck up. Sorry. The problem is the back of this skirt is very short and my ass cheeks keep getting exposed, but I just have to keep a watch out, you know. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, bitch. I think I'm gonna wear this bag today, this little juicy bag. Oh yeah, that's cute. That's real cute. Yeah, oh yeah. This is a vintage juicy one. It's one of my favorite bags ever. I love this bag. With my juicy wallet, some lip gloss. I have like 10 different lip glosses in here. I'm gonna take like 3 sticks of gum. Police said I'm smelling like that gas. Bitch, that's my cologne. Bitch, that's my cologne. I forgot to wear jewelry. Look at this ring. Yeah, so cute. I forgot where I got this. Okay, I'm just gonna put on a few more rings. The problem with this purse is I have to wear it like this because the shoulders on, the sleeves are too. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'm gonna wear black star one and this other heart gold one. I'm kind of nervous, guys. We just got here.
Yeah, and I don't know where the guy is because I'm texting him.
So she's blindfolded.
But I don't want to ruin your lashes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. Can you breathe?
Yeah, enough. So apparently he just got here. I'm waiting in the car listening to music because I was told that I'm not allowed to look. I want to peek so bad. Like, this is honestly so humbling. This is so humbling. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. And the sky is gray. If you want to see me go on this blind date, go watch Tara's video. I'm sorry, like I wish I could make like eye contact with you right now, but thank you guys for watching. I love you. Go watch Tara's video to see how it unfolds. Okay guys, I'm about to go pick up my car right now. I'm literally so excited. I'm like geeking. Literally though, look at this text I sent to my sister like years ago. I want a pink Tesla so bad. I hadn't even had a Tesla yet at that point. So I've had a Tesla now for a while and I haven't wrapped it. And I've been wanting to for so long. So I'm finally doing it. Yeah! Milo, are you excited to start driving around in the Barbie car? Yes. Yes, you are, huh? Also, guys, can I show you these shorts I got from Amazon? I promise my ass isn't like fat, but these shorts are just doing it for me.
It's Mr. 30 Fat, Mr. Worldwide, back at it again and let you know. I just came to remind y'all.
Please look. Like, this is crazy, guys. I promise my ass doesn't look like that. It's literally the shorts. And this is not a sponsor. I should make an Amazon storefront. I don't gatekeep. I will put you guys on. I've been actually trying to drink a lot more water, and this is kind of motivating, but not really. Right now I'm at 10 a.m. and it's 3 p.m. But like, for someone who like forgets to drink water consistently, like I think this is pretty good. And it's pink, so it's more motivating, you know? So I'm about to see it for the first time. Okay, so the garage is open, so I'm gonna see it. So I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's perfect! Holy shit! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, holy shit. It's so perfect. I love it so much. It looks so much better on too. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Thank you. And then I went and ran all my errands in the little Barbie car. Oh, guys, you don't understand. I love it so much, so much. I truly just want to say thank you to you guys, because obviously if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be able to do these things. And I'm just so thankful. And thank you for making younger Verina's dreams come true. I love you. I love you, bitch. And I'm never going to stop loving you, bitch. Please tell me you know where that's from. You do. Everybody does. Right? Here's the video if you don't know.
I love you, bitch. Oh my god. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was a short one, but I'll make it up to you guys. And don't forget to go watch Tara's video. It was really painfully funny. But yeah, love you guys. Bye. I'll see you next week.